Kublai pi baro shakatup Khuborjylla ke donbosco media network. Imat ki bakong san menta ka sngi kilong. Khot sngo bha ka balang Catholic tengam shaka lungku shispas nem. Dumok USP traffic ya ka jingkeno bamsap ka AKM TTA. Na yeng wai terekam ka dispensary barintam hamaulai nongrum. Ban keli uba Adelbert nongrum. Kalau don em kecingatai halor ke artikel Laispa nyokuwe. Bak bentang ini apa ki Khubor ki bakambanya. Uba Markus Shadap rang bak balang ke balang shnong tengam. Ula khot lawer ngau bahaya ki pa bak Catholic nak keleng ki parish ban wan shembenta haka jingrakhe kemen ya ka lungku shispa snem centenary jongkani ka balang haka khendai tarek LBER. Ka shnong tengam ka don ha parish Maulasnai Ribhoi district. Ya ka yung mani jongkani ka balang shnong la ay nam hakadonut bukhut tamu Jisu, Sacred Heart of Jesus. Ya ka jinget Catholic ha tengam la bet nadu ka snam khat khandai spa arpusan bat menta kala kenjo shispa snam pura.
Ka kerteng jong ka balang shnong tengam jingi ngakum urumba balang uba dp ya kana ka balang shnong bat ngi ay kerteng ru ya kana ka balang shnong ha ka kerteng jong ka donut bukhut tam jong Jisu bat ngi khot ru na ka pareng ka Sacred Heart Church tengam tengah karpat sepi ki prabungai baro bapin sumbha banewan ha ka te ka singi ka jingrakhe jungi ya ka centenary ka badai ka khandai tarik ubnai mat arhajar arbosan tengah karpat bat nga banjur ya baro ki pai rungai ki balak banwan ha ka te ka singi te sumbha ya wan bangin pensyoshet sosingan ya kana ka jingrakhe jungi ya ka jingtap chis pa snam jong ka balang jungi hangne hapo jong ka balang snong jungi hangne te nga ai khublei banga kit bakir wange pi kito ke baklai banwan sya kana ka centenary jungi te sumhai wan ha ka te tarik ka ba khandai bunai mat arhajar arusan te khublei si bun
USP Traffic East Khasi Hills Kamakia Prasad ula dumok ya kajing keno jong kinong yalam ka AKM TTA bakadon kajing bamsap bat jingle Shillong jong ki pulut traffic hakndai lat ki bailat eki kali kamai na Assam ban yeng kat bamon haki surok kat ba ya ki kali na Meghalaya ki pendat knap tham USP Traffic loong ya ki tu ki bakeno bamsap bat le Shillong khmat ban wan shak khmat ban pen I ya ki jing shisha Karkum kata kajing keno ka police department kan tokit batlada ka desisha kan penshitom daga pating ya unu upulet ubadon kti hakum kita kikam. Ulaong ru kamdei ban shu keno ne pharep klem kajing shisha. Yakum kita kijing keno la ban penshitom katkum kaan ulaong. Ulaya thuru ki pulit ki tre shitom hadu kata-kata ban wanra ya kajing kelut hakalet kawan ki kali hakane kanong ba. Ki pentre kamru ya kaan da kajing perking ban pensuk ki pat ba ban poi shiki jaka baki thmu da ka basuk bat hakapor ka babiang kamlong kapadai ban shukeno klem kajing penshisha ulaya thuru ba la sha ki kali turis ban penyeng hakandai lat adu kapor nyau baje ban stem ba kin penhiar bat kentiu nong let nong wan nalor kataru la ai jaka ki kali turis ban yeng ha parking lot ka muda ulaong Kendai Teliki Association kila menjur ban yeng hamuda bat banum yeng pathar haki road surok hajan vivanta parking bat hajan city hat dhaba.
Good afternoon to all of you. I just want to give the clarifications regarding the news item which was aired through the respective channels, news channels regarding the concerning the parkings of the tourist taxis. As regards to that, I would like to mention here that yesterday at around 1:30, the presidents of all Khasi Meghalaya Tourist Association, along with their members, they came to my office and they submitted applications that they are subjected to the discriminations by the STPs in terms of the parking, whereas the Assam vehicles are being spared. So the matter is not this is not a fact that the STP is maintaining any kinds of the reservations or discrimination against anyone. The matter was raised regarding parking of tourist vehicles at the stage of the City Hut Tower and the Vivanta hotels. Actually, what happens that in the in the last year only. In the last year, in the mid of the month, a meeting was organized by the additional deputy commissioners, transport, along with all the tourist taxi driver associations. They are having 9 associations and they work in solo. They are not coming under the one umbrella. So therefore, in order to sort out the issue of parkings, the meeting was organized at Police Reserve and it was mutually settled by allotting the parking lot at the SBI parking lot. SBI parking lot is opposite to the SBI there, where you can accommodate at least 35 to 40 vehicles at one time. So they mutually agreed that they will start parking the vehicles there and they will not park the vehicles in and around the Police Bazaar or other areas. We have given also the space to them that in the morning they can park the vehicles, the tourist vehicle they can park in Police Bazaar area till 7 a.m. in the morning, so that they can carry the passengers who are bound for different destinations. And after 7:30, since the traffic starts, we allow these people to leave the places.
UMLA Kamaulai ba Bright Star Well Marbanyang hakasingi balang ula pentip hayeng dorbar baka dispensary kabadon hamaulai nonglum kadai kabala rimbha henry hadu menta kadang trekam na ying wai kumta ula kentui ke sorkar Jylla bakan le ai no kham kloi khnang bakan la ban trekam no na jakal jong haba jubab halor kani ka menteri ka kwat ka khia kong ampri lingdo kala ong ba yakani ka kam ka office kadang bishar bania.
Question 32. Yes, sir. The matter is under consideration.
Vice Chairman, your supplementary question.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. I would like to thank the Honourable Minister in charge Health and Family Welfare to her reply to the question with regards to the proposed construction of a state dispensary at Meghalaya Nonglum. This dispensary, in fact, it is one of the oldest dispensary in the state. But till date, it is being run from a rented house. So I would like to thank the Minister for her reply that this matter is under consideration. But I do hope that this dispensary will see the light of day, where we'll have a permanent dispensary. And I will request the Minister in charge to kindly expedite the process. Thank you.
So is there a question or do I just say okay?
Suggestion.
A suggestion.
So you may reply.
Point noted. Yes, sir. In fact, this NEHU State Dispensary at Meghalaya Nonglum is not a new subject. It has been debated before, since 2020, etc., etc. And this one time, after the spot inspection that the Honourable MLA and I conducted, we have taken a lot of decisions. Now the technical proceedings are to start. This land does not belong to the Department of Health. We've already sought the NOC from the concerned Darbar. Then we have now forwarded the same materials. In fact, an estimate was done earlier under the SOR of PWD 2015.
UMLA ka Shillong North ba Adelbert Nongrum hakasingi balang ulakali hayeng dorbar. La kadon em ka jingyatai da ka sorkar Jylla halor ka subject ka bayadei berkajing terwa ka tu kat ni ki kendon ki bayadei bat ka Meghalaya hapo ka artikel laispa nyop huwei jogariti sensar jongkari. Haba jubab ya kane hakikenta kali jingkili umentri rangba ka Jylla konrat ke sangma ulayathu kampat don satya kanu ka jingyakren ha ka sorkar Jylla hadu menta.
The matter of proposing special provision for the state of Meghalaya under Article 3721.
Sir, of course, if there is a requirement and there is a demand, and if there is any reason for us to allow a discussion to take place on the matter, we can have particular provisions. But as I said, as of now, the state, the schedule areas, we come under the 6th schedule, and the provisions are there to protect us and our culture, our land, our people in terms of the 6th schedule. Provisions are there. So therefore, it was never felt that Article 371 should be something that we should look at. But as I said, for the matter of discussion and for opinions to be brought in, we can examine, sir.
Your last question, please.
No, sir.
Already you have asked 4 questions.
Okay. Anyway, I'll try to get, straight to the point. Okay, let me recall the House. Mr. Speaker, sir, I also wish to remind this House that recently in January this year, one state in India has become the first to implement Uniform Civil Code. So my question, Mr. Speaker, sir, to the Chief Minister is this. Does the government consider that having special provision for the state of Meghalaya under Article 371, it will bring protection for the people of the state from the operations of laws like Uniform Civil Code and other central laws which come into conflict with our religious and social practices, our customary law, our administration of justice as per customary law, and our customary land right. So may I get your reply, sir?
Sir, of course, this goes beyond the purview of the question, but since it is an important subject and of important concern for the people, sir, without going into too much of debate, because this is a very, very large topic to be debated, sir, there are pros and cons of 6th schedule, and there are pros and cons of Article 371. Sir, if you look at the 6th schedule areas, so there are provisions of having a legislature wing, an executive wing, and a judiciary wing, whereas Article 371 does not have those provisions. So the question is, the current system where the district councils are having their own power to legislate, are having a judiciary, are also having executive, compared to a 371 which will not have, is a matter that one will need to discuss and debate. Sir, Article 371 also has got multiple forms. It is not that Article 371 is the same for all the states. If you go towards aspects of Article 371 in different states, like for example, so there are many states that have got Article 371. And if you go into those aspects, so Article 371 grants special responsibility for governor in Maharashtra and Gujarat for establishment of separate development boards for Vidarbha, Marathwada, Saurashtra and Kutch, and for ensuring equitable allocation of funds and opportunities for these regions. This Article 371 does not mention anything about protection or not having to implement central laws. My point being, sir, that no 371 is uniform. For different states, there's a different Article 371.
Uba HS Kharpran MLA Maurin Keneng ulakili halor ka jingslam ban pentrekam ya ke Emergency and Fire Service Station ha Maurin Keneng. Usembut Menteri Rangba ke Jylla ba Prestun Tensong ha kasngi balang ulayathu ahyeng dorbar. Ba ka jingslam ban pentrekam ya ka Emergency and Fire Service Station ha Maurin Keneng kadai nakadaw ka jaka Henry Menta ka kam kalayat Shakman. Usembut Menteri Rangba ula ongru Shen ensa penkreano ya ka detailed project report NAKA benta kani kakam.
Question number 29. Sri President Tusong, Deputy Chief Minister in charge, Home Police, to reply, please.
Mr. Speaker, sir, reply to state question number 29. Sir, the matter is under process.
Karpran, your
Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir. May I know from the Honorable Chief Minister in charge of Home why this project of installation of emergency and fire service station Mount Keneng is getting delayed. It's long overdue, sir. Last session also I raised this matter. But in the last few years, just 2 years, so many fire incidents have taken place in our area. Just last December also, on the 19th December 24, 2nd December 24, two fire incidents that have occurred in our area at Khut and Kuryang village. So why this project is getting delayed, sir?
Sir, one of the reasons that the proposed fire service station that could not be established was because of the land issue. So I'm happy to inform the honourable member from Maurangkaneng constituency. Recently, government has taken over the land. And the total area is about 22,000 square feet. And we have just taken over, and the DC has already handed over to Home Police. And very soon we are going to prepare DPR for construction of the office building of the fire service station. And once that is completed, sir, the station fire service station will be ultimately operationalized.
Sir,
Yes, coach.
when do we expect to start that project, sir?
Sir, I have already replied. Now the engineering wing of Home Police will immediately prepare the DPR. So once the DPR is prepared, then we will move for necessary sanction, and thereafter work will take place, sir.
Sir, please expedite the process, sir. Thank you.
Thanks, sir.
Yeah, Dr. Mukusama.
Mr. Speaker, sir, this issue of having appropriate emergency and fire service station at different places, may I know from Honorable Deputy CM whether this particular concern is being taken on priority basis based on what we are seeing as of now, you know, the wild forest fire and many other things. We keep on getting this report of, and there's a fund. So may I know from the Honorable Deputy CM?
MLA ke jirang ba sostinu sotun ulawan ra daka call attention notice hayeng dorbar halor ke jingmi ki khubor bakal ha bernihat kala jabo shabapalan UMLA ula ongru kane ke jing jabo kala kala kata ekipaj ba kathan haba jubab halor kane menteri rang ba ke Jylla konrat ke sangma ula pentib ba ula tho sha menteri rang ba ka Assam ban kerpat ke sorkar Assam banya trelang bat ke sorkar Meghalaya Ulaong, kani kejaka kadon hakaput Meghalaya Assam. Kumta ki artili ki Pollution Control Board Meghalaya bat Assam, ki don kam banetrelang ban bat lakam ya ka jingjabo jongkale kabami na ki karkhana takathan bernihan.
The rules of the Pollution Control Board. So, sir, what I would like to state here in the August House, many times that we could feel the very bad smell that emitted from the factories, whatever, as reported for the last many months, the CMJ breweries is closed down, but still we could feel the very bad smell coming out from one of the factory as complained by the people. Sometimes we could feel the smell of beer, we could feel the smell of whiskey, we could feel the smell of local rice beer, but anyway it's all very bad smell, sir. The Distillation Private Limited
which the people of those areas, they have made big complaint with regards to this very bad smell, sir. So I would like to put a note on this to the government that if any action can be taken for any factories who violated the rules and conditions of the Meghalaya Pollution Control Board. Of course, people are suffering, and we still, up till now, we are suffering, sir. So health issues must be the top priority. So I would like to request the government for stern action and resolve the issue of pollution in the area of Bonihat town. And some of the points which I would like to raise, sir, that the factories must install modern technology to control various types of pollutions. That is number one. Number two, factories compound must always be eco-friendly, and the authorities must plant more trees in and around the factory areas. And I would like to request the government to set up permanent branch office of the Meghalaya State Pollution Control Board.
Kador Barshnong Nong Sder, Lengba Urang Barshnong Uba Jonas Lendem, Mentakasngi Santarik LBER Ulami Shakman, Ban Penpau ya kajing Sngo Lengo, Ban Yoi Hadin kajing Lab ya kajing Don ki Karkhana Shnakiat Bean, Hakajing Lit Kendra da Katanat Excise Ribhoi Hakasngi Ublei, Kabadang Hab Hapo Uput Usam Jokashnong Nong Sder Ribhoi District, Kabala Pendan Kam ya kate kajaka Kum kajaka Shnakiat Bean, Lane ka Karkhana Bean. Uba Jonas Lendem, Urang ba Shnong Kashnong Nong Sder, Habakran Shakila Pathai Khubor Mentakasngi, Ulayat Ho, Bakate Kajaka Balabu Yakate Karkhana, Kade Kajaka Kaba Kam Kenja, Barkaderu Kajaka Kabaduna Bha Kajingya Jingyeng Jongki Briu Shnong. Barhabayo Eka Khubor Halor Kajing Pentrekam Yakiteki Kam Bean. Nakaliang Kashnong Kiralit Kmi Yakate Kajaka, Bad Kilalap Shisha, Yakajingdon Kakarkhana Shnakiat Bean. Bar kajing don jong kani ka kambean, kam syamla don kanu ru kajing tip nakaliang jong kasnong. Uba Jonas Lendem, kum urang ba snong, ula berngem ting ru yaki briu ki baladon ketiban pentre ya ketika kambean, bat hakajuk kapor, ula maham ru yakinu kinu ki briu ki batmu banle yakum kini ki kam hapo kasnong, bat ladalam kanum don kanu kajing ma. Uba Jonas Lendem, ula ai kuble ya katanat excise bakila shimkia ban khandra ya kanika kambean, kabala longru kumshi banta ban te lakam ya ki kam snew, kabala don hapo kashnong bat kathan. Bat hakajuk kapor ula kenturu ya katanat excise bakidei ban le da kabateng kat kum kaan ya kinu ki briu ki badon keti hakate kakam.
Ki kabasisha. Tekalong kedit kabakrau ka shnong ka chungi. Bangin pe pakhat ba kanongkum ni te nina suburam hadu kata-kata ya kejeng start jong kan kebot kam jong ka excise department ba lap ban budien ban lap ya kini ki kam illegal ka badon hapok snong ko jongi te ban tip bak sai pet ba kanongkum ni ya kini ka jaka hakaba lap ya tu ka kam illegal ko jongki kalong syarut nong jong ka snong dan yeng dan sem sejang jongki lakia di ding ki se ki cloud ki tam nang tahu juga kapor kidon kilum kiwa tekalong kejaka baburi ke ba mujud khamdan manu banlet ban satu kijaka na takadau kalau kejiksem kebu ya kibriu ki badon ki jingtmu ki kambeah ki jongki te nakliang jungi kum kasnong ni pedremjur yakini kibriu ki badon ki kene kam ngamtip la badai manuru tangba ni pedremjur nakliang kasnong ka lawan rak si syahi ya kata ke jimam sultanat berkejeng kedit ini kum kinong sensasnong nak pelong kami ting ke berkirki nak lian juga isi ke jongi bat ni dapat remjur si syahi kan ni ka jingle ke jong kini kibriu te kabakhat do kiliang ka jongi kalomba ni kentu ya ki bo jong ka ai bakin sim ik senjam ki bating pan pen sistem ya ki ladari manu ka kambean ka sahi ka kambean na takadaw kentu jur ya ki bor bahalor ki balik pek kene ka benta bakin am dan kenu jengma ni ban ai ke jengpan saja ka baki di hok baki di banyo kat kum ki kam ki kilale habujo ka poru na kiliang snong kama hamjor ya kinu kibrio la kilong ki traisnong lane kilong ki banabar snong ro bakin penul kam lane banle ki kam an hapo puas sensar jong ka snong daka boburam nasusongo bat sudon bok ba ya kene ka kam la lap ka knap jong ki bosor ka bari pet bari kimi ki bayat kum ka an ban dei balalap upai ba sung snong na trai ka tugas ni ka to yang bro oi ka klat pe dan mal kata kene kelong jeng maham ya baro nang ni sakmat bakin hap ban pikir mane ban kyar madon pun kini kijak kambean ban ya pok sung thau sasisian da ka basung buram palat ka tan ke excise department marmari kawan kudu inga atas janmit jong kasing ublei te nomor bagri kasing ublei te ngar ngabungkam te menstep jong kasing nungkong kelawan mani kudu biagenga te panya kepat gajing trilang infnok trilang demi keborslong manik pek kini kejaka te mangaru haipol balungkot kat ki bangala man pentep ikit khot jeng ke isi members demi tinggal pek te kejaka kalau siap kejeng kedet kebajur kebakrau bagi mlak ban mudur bakum ketu kafak te kenun huntu te ai ba ka ani ka sistem ban mudien yak di menu balong trai tu akam ba sa sistem ba ngapan hi penunjur ni kene kejeng le kejumpi ba ai ka an kan le ka bari ban tak kita hi Khuborjylla.
Pada itu ki Khubor gila poe chaka bakun tarhadu bangin daya champion Khuborjylla.